In today's video, we're stripping this beauty, the desmoquattro engine from the 916. Thanks everyone for your support so far. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
And today we are going to make a souffle. Yeah, we'll take that off.
Shall we?
Yeah.
We're live.
Hey, are we live?
We are live.
Right. Next reverse. And voila.
Put some gloves on, it looks like I'm helping.
Yeah, because you don't want to get... My mate said, what does your mate do? I said, he does all the camera work. He said, did you just do the teas? I said, no, he's doing stuff, don't worry.
He does make a good point though.
Yeah, what is he doing? He's actually doing the filming.
And stuff, and sometimes, as he's told.
He does stuff behind the scenes. There we go. One of those. One of them. Now, with the top tip for when you're rebuilding your engine. This little bad boy here and this little washer is where most people, how can I say, balls it up. Because they put this on in the reverse of what I've just done, and they do that, they put that on and that hangs like that, and they put that on there like that. That's lovely. And then they put that all back on like I just took it apart, and then they get the big old nut and they wang that on with all the special goobly doobly like that, and that is hanging down there. And then what happens is that will then line back up again at some point and it all goes slack. Yeah, because there's that thou goes on another couple of thou. Then that means that that's not got as much tension behind it anymore, and the whole stator becomes loose and then just starts destroying the outer casing and rattling like buggery. Top tip, that is a very fundamental thing when you're rebuilding it. You put that on first, then you slide that over the top of it, and you have to make sure it doesn't slide back down. After that, talking to him and you, this is your cross pulley shaft. Yeah? That connects to, for you at home, this one, which is what your cam belts sit on. So you've got your back one does the vertical, front one does your horizontal. So then that is on that. Also has a timing pickup point on there, which would be in the casing, so that is what triggers it. So that knows when it's going to spark, which tells the ECU to do its funky thing. Starter motor, just in here, and then obviously you've got your starter motor gear, and then that picks up on this one, and this is, in here is your Sprag clutch. So take that off of there, that's a bearing, that just lifts on there like that, over that. So this is what, when you got that, when it's starting and it slips, this is what's damaging. Now that, being quite honest, ain't great. Look at all the little lines in that, and you see. So in there you got little marks where, when it spins, it grabs. And the more chinks that are in that, it takes the hardening away, and that's what causes it to slip. And then obviously you can also get, this is the Sprag bearing, which is just a one-way bearing again, and then these destroy themselves. They've got like a little spring that holds all that in position, but we don't need to take that apart, that all looks good. And that, I wouldn't replace it, because I think it'll be fine. So that goes in there. so then that bites, so it'll freely spin that way, and then when the engine fires and speeds up, it takes over, and then that just freewheels then behind it. But it obviously locks going that way.
Yeah.
So that's yeah, that's all good. That comes off there. Yeah, so this is your starter motor. So if you've got a starter motor problem, you can't really do a lot unless you strip the side of the engine off. You've had that done to your bike. And then you undo that one, and then inside here, these little holes, there's the little hidey one in there. Whiz that off. And the third one, sorry, on the outside of the casing, holding the clip, and that just comes away. We'll take this one off next, just for the crack. That one ain't doing much, no wobble in that, that's alright. We'll have it off though. We'll take that off, but that's got a bent over lock-in washer. One of these, on here. Don't want to damage it, so I want to reuse it. I hope that fly's going to be on the edit that's buzzing around in here. I'll let them spiders live in here for free just to keep them down, they're not doing their jobs. Alright, wet that. That is now flat.
I can't actually see him.
Hey?
I can't actually see him.
So that'll hold that for gear there. That's a special tool, people. That goes on there. A minute. There we go. Like that. Goes on there. Like that. Glad we got this rolling because I don't know where all these bits are going to go when we put it back together again. Had to use it.
Does that need to come out anyway, that bit? That
Yeah.
shaft?
Yeah, that's a cross pulley shaft.
Oh.
One of them. That will come out of there. So we'll put a little mark on there. I'll put a little mark on that, so like that. So now I know where that goes back to. One of them. And there you go, see, so you've got the reason why I've done that is with my little scratch. Obviously that's open so you can adjust that. So that just gives me a little bit of idea where it's going to go back to. Always wear protective goggles when taking them off. Washer on the back, washer on the front. Hey, hey, look at that.
Almost as if that was made for that.
That is, isn't it? That's tight.
Okay. Oh, he's got it. He's only got it.
It's tight.
Bend your knees.
One of those. One of them. Locking bevel washer. In a basket. That comes off there. But these ribs is what, if you've got a really lurchy bike, it actually catches on these ribs, so they're not too bad. But you can get them there, they wear in at a certain point because it's always just going and it's dry, and you will end up with massive digs in this, so that's what causes a grabby clutch. Nothing wrong with that. That's all nice. Oh look, that's nice and loose, that one. And get in there. I can't do nothing. Got no teeth making facilities, nothing. Hob's not open.
Is that for protection?
Indeed. Now my ears are cold. These here, these stickers are now on our website for sale. So if you'd like to purchase them, please click and buy. All posed for our renovation, see?
So I've not passed my hammer course.
No. Oh yes. That's lovely, isn't it? Isn't that nice? We've got to paint that.
It'll look nice when it's painted.
Yeah. Lovely. We might need a tool for that, mate. Because I might need that needs to be pulled off of there. I ain't got one of those with me today. That sort of stops play really.
One eternity later.
Hello, good evening. What you need is one of them. This is earlier. As you can see, it's not very happy. There you go. Anyway, you go like that, put that on there like that, and look at that, just pulls them straight off, that does, like that. And then that comes off of there like that, and this comes off here like that. Take notes, spacer, and that's it for today. Only been waiting 6 months to do that.
Yeah, I like your cap.
That's good, isn't it? That?
That's
You
all
can
right.
buy these on our website. At a very reasonable price, I believe.
Not doing
All
these.
proceeds go to,
This caper.
yeah. That'll be a spring with a doofer in the end of it. Ugh. Okay, in there. Yeah, that's a bit of sludge in there, isn't it? So most of it's gone over my bench now. Yeah, I'm glad we're taking that apart now. It's pretty grotty, isn't it?